was searching for you.
No, the photo taking. Please ensure. See, I'm not even open. Please ensure.
சவுண்ட் ஹீலிங் செக்ஷன்
No.
அப்போ என்னென்ன பண்ணுறாங்க அப்படின்ட்டு
Mobile से எல்லா ரூம் லக்கி mobile தர
பார்ப்போம்.
What we aim, see, for example, if you are aiming to, for example, if you are aiming for a big car, so it has to be not, the target has to be, it's not to set in the car. You have to increase ourselves. First we have to increase our energy, so that what energy frequency we are giving, of course, automatically it will come to us. So I think, so olden days people will be saying like, see, what and all you aim, so that doesn't come. You have to work for it. So it totally depends on what you work. So that's how energy works, and everything is like an energy in this thing. For example, for your bikes, cars, everything, always try to be positive. So anyways, never ever speak negative. So whatever happens, just stick it to the positive side. So for example, never ever joke yourself also, no, I'm like this, no, nothing is to me, no. When you're sick also, you have to say like, I'm coming up, I'm good, I'm coming up better health. So that's how you have to speak. Never ever say like, no, I'm sick, I'm tired, no. So always remember, what you speak, it reacts, your body reacts. Okay, and for example, if I say means ivaga ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ ಯಾರೋ ಒಬ್ಬ ಗಾಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅಡ್ಡ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಬೈದಿ ಏನು ಯೂಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷ ಅವ್ರು ಹಂಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾವ್ರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಇದು ಮಾಡೋದು ಏನು ಯೂಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ಡೋಂಟ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್, ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡ್. ಸೊ ಏನಾದರೂ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಸ್ಪೀಕಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಸಮ್ ಒನ್, ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡ್. ಸೊ ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡ್ ಇಸ್ ಅನ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಥಿಂಗ್. ಇಫ್ ಯು ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಲೈಕ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಹಿಟ್ ಎನಿ ಒನ್. ಸೊ ನೆವರ್ ಎವರ್ ಡೂ ದಟ್. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ಲಿ ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡ್. ಸೊ ಓಕೆ, there may be some situations. So that's how it works. Okay. And so everyone, I think everyone knows about our human body and everything. So it's like in 70% it is covered with the water. So sound travels more in water compared to the air. Okay, so that is the reason. So instruments we are using, so that cures everyone's anything. Okay. So guys, one more thing. So never ever speak bad about anything. So even in maybe your bike, vehicle, mobile phones, anything. So it reflects. So everything works on the frequency. If you matartira, it comes to you.